Hi, it's Jason, Jason's Jungle. I'm going to show you some of the things that I'm harvesting at the moment, and you can have a look and see what I come up with. Okay, there's a few more tomatoes in here ready. So you see here I've got some Galina, a couple of them look ready. And I've got some lurking over there, some yellow ones which I think are milk flare. I can see hints of red. So I'm going to try to get myself in there and see what's ready and harvestable. I mean, look at all this mass here. All of this is actually just one truss of flowers. It's massive, gigantic. Look at them toms, just been in the greenhouse. Look at these, they've been ages green, turned to red, and now they just fell off in my hand. Aren't they lovely? I'm in the polytunnel, and what I want to do is just show you some of the cucumbers. So these are my cucumbers along here. You can see I've still got lots on them. I'm going to be harvesting quite a few of them today, and doing quite nice. So I'll just take these off, the ones that are ready, and that'll let it put all its energy into the ones that aren't ready yet. Oh, this one's definitely ready. And that'll give us an excess of cucumbers for home. This one could have been a bit longer, but it's been like that for a while, so I'm taking that off and giving the chance to some of the others to grow. Nothing on that one yet. This one, there's a nice cucumber. This is Burpless Tasty. This one's not quite ready, it's got quite a pointy end. Needs to round off a bit and then it'll be ready, but I could take it this size if I wanted. This one down here, yep, that's rounded end, so I can take that one. I think there's only them ones on there. And this one along is supposed to be, I say supposed to be, a crystal apple. It just doesn't look right. But I'll take off when it looks ready. Oh god, there's lots of them. Okay, after that there's the Puna Kira and the Armenian. I'll harvest them and I'll show you what I get later on. So that's the cucumbers. Got 4 Burpless Tasty, an Armenian. I'm not sure what these are, they're possibly Carosello. The plant doesn't have its label. I've got White Wonder. These are Puna Kira. No, sorry, these are Crystal Apple. These are Puna Kira, these are White Wonder. So that's a reasonably decent haul. I'm going to go down and get the scales and see how much they weigh. Oh, there's a big bag full of cucumbers, and it is reading, let's let it settle down, 4.88, nope, still going, 4.91 kilograms. Oh, what's that, about £9? If you remember, I took 2 strawberry plants and divided up the crown up into smaller plants, and I think almost, well, actually it looks like every one of them apart from one has come. So that's actually quite good going. So I've got 16 plants. The roots are coming out the bottom, so they're ready to plant out and get themselves established before winter. So I think I'll go off and get these done. Here's my trombone squashes. The batters anytime I try to walk through here. But I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grown nicely. I'm actually going to leave 4 of these to mature because you can use them as winter squash, a bit like butternut flavourish. But this one here, this big fat one, look down the bottom, it looks as if it's starting to rot away. So I'm going to harvest this as basically use it as a courgette, which will be fantastic because that shouldn't have seeds in. This main stem should be seedless. So that's going to be a courgette harvest today from this plant. Talking about courgettes, I've got a few here ready to harvest. So there's this one here. So I'll take this off. There's one. Look along here. I've got hidden in these leaves. There's one crookneck ready. I'll take that one. Leave the others a bit. Go a bit. Doing this one-handed and hold the camera. So that'll be good for stuffing. And we'll go up here. I'm not too sure what these are. I thought it was Zephyr, but Zephyr has the... Ah yes, there we go. The Zephyr has the green end there. So these are Zephyr, but they don't all get the green end. Two nice large ones here ready to come. Take that one. Maybe it's later in the season that it starts turning green, but there's another one over there. Yeah. Turn your back for a day or two and what happens? You harvest everything and then they all come back again. So that's my courgette on this side. Just so with it there. There, and I think I'll take this one. No, I'll leave that one, get that in a couple of days time. See if there's anything more. Oh, there's another one over there that could be harvested. Just before it turns into a marrow on my next visit. That's about the size I usually like to harvest them out there. And now one's just escaped from us, so I'll get that back. So there we go, a few courgettes. These are my comfrey cuttings. They definitely need to go out. I think they're getting root bound in here. So I'm going to be planting them here underneath the hedge. Basically make a wall just under the hedge, and hopefully their roots will stop weeds coming in. What I'm going to do is make the hole. This bed gets mulched by the trees, and it does have competition with the roots. As you can see here, well, not trees, but the hawthorn hedge. But I've got comfrey elsewhere along this, and it should be able to go okay. It'll take a little while, but it does okay. So make a hole, and yeah, they're ready to come out. Just fluff the roots up a little bit, pluck it in, pack it in. Save out the bindweed root, don't want that there. And leave these, so I will not harvest them this year, not harvest them probably next year, and let them get a bit of a strength up. I'm harvesting all the sweet corn from the polytunnel because it's just a breeding station for all the black flies, and I can't keep up with them, so they're about ready. I'll just take them and see what I've got. But the ones outside are still looking healthy and still almost, they should be done soon, so hopefully I'll get a decent crop off of both of them. Well, that's not a bad harvest for today. The spuds, really nice, and oh, so many cucumbers and courgettes. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them, probably do a lot of soup. But that's it for today. If you liked it, click like, leave a comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.